Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to JP Barbecue. Tonight we're gonna fire up the Lone Star Grill. We're gonna smoke us a nice big old boneless pork shoulder butt. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how we get this big old butt taken care of JP style. So all we're gonna use for this pork butt is just two of our favorite ingredients. We got our JP all-purpose. This is going to be our base layer, and I'm going to be using the sweet heat today. So this is a very good combination of spices and blends of seasonings. Very good. Hopefully we get a nice pulled pork out of this pork butt. So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start off with just a simple base layer of our JPAP. There we go. This is going to turn out fantastic. You know, the only thing that concerns me is I don't know how long it's going to take, because this is the first pork butt that I do inside the Lone Star. So we'll see. You know, it's the weekend. We're going to have some fun. And we'll fire up that Lone Star Grill. Probably we'll throw this meat in there around 8 o'clock tonight. So that's good enough for salt, pepper, garlic, which is our JPAP all-purpose. And now we're gonna bring the heat. Here we go. This is one of my favorite rubs. I don't use it that often because I'm always making videos using the Sexy Chicken or the JP-licious rub, but this is another rub that I have. Call it the Sweet Heat. Got some nice brown sugar in it. Give it that little sweetness to it. Nice coating of paprika in it as well. Let me put a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic in there. There we go. Put this one in. And we'll get this second one started. Let me show you what these pork butts look like, guys. They came out looking fantastic. This JP Sweet Heat, you know, ain't no joke. You know, with the base layer of our JPAP rub on it, you know, made this pork butt look fantastic. All that's left now is to get the Lone Star Grill fired up and get the smoking process started. You guys stay tuned and I'll show you how we get that done. pretty good. Different compared to the master build,
That's good.
but still good. But besides that, guys, I just want to say thanks. Appreciate you guys watching my channel. I'm almost reaching in for another piece. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button there over there on the side. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications. And everything that I use is down in the description below. If you're interested in any of the rubs and sauces that I sell, there's a link down below. Go to the website, and I have them there for sale. But besides that, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you guys on the next cookout. Take care.